Okay, so this is the walkthrough and demo video of the entire software. Here I will cover each and every section, and first of all let's start. Here is the instruction section. Just go through this once and make sure to watch this training before you start executing any of the steps. As you can see, this is real code using which you can generate the ebooks or the e-course. So this is the first step. There are total 6 steps. I'll just show you the steps first and then I'll execute it and show you the output. Okay, so this is the step 1. You need to run this code always at the beginning. Next is step 2. This will generate 30 ebook titles, and after the titles are selected, you just need to select the title which you want and then go to the next step. So that is the step 3. Step 3 will generate the entire content of the ebook, including acknowledgement, preface, the content of each chapters, and also a conclusion. So this is the main portion of this code. Next is the step 4. In step 4, we'll generate the content for publishing the book to online platforms like you can see it here, and also there are 14 other stores. I'll show that in the coming videos. Next is step 5. If you want to run paid ads to your book to promote your book, either free or paid, then you can use this. This can generate ads for both format, that is for promoting the book as free or for paid. So this is step 5. And if you go to number 6, this is used to generate social media posts for any platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. So you can generate all that using this particular code. Now let's go to the beginning and I'll show you how to execute each and every step. So for each step you will find this play button. So start with this. As I've told you, you have to run this at the start of every program. So just click the play button and you can see it's running. Okay, so after it's completed, you can see it's back to the play button again. So this is done. Now let's go to the step 2. Click here. Now we will generate 30 titles for your book. You need to start with just one keyword, and after you can see, after you click the play button, if you scroll below, you will find this enter the main keyword for the book. For example, let me enter make more sales, and after you enter this, just press enter, and you can see here generating ebook topics. Okay, so these are 30 ebook titles. So select any of this and then go to the next step. For example, the ultimate guide to skyrocketing sales. Okay, for just demo purpose, I am selecting the first. You can go through each of the titles and select your favorite one and then just copy it and go to the next step. As you can see, this run this to generate the content of your ebook or course, and after the content is generated, go to the Kindle Create to format your ebook. I'll show you that how to format your ebook within minutes. Just click it and you can see here it says enter the ebook title. So here we will enter the ebook title which we selected in the previous step. So just paste the title and then how many chapters you want. Enter the number of chapters. You can enter the number of chapters according to your own wish. For example, 10, 15, 20, 25, any number of chapters. So for example, let me go with 15 chapters and then click enter. And now just wait and watch. It will take about, for 15 chapters it takes generally about 5 to 7 minutes. So first of all, it will generate the table of contents. As you can see, generating it has already generated the table of contents. And now it is generating, as you can see, it is generating acknowledgement. Done. Now it's generating preface. So after preface, it will generate the content for each of the 15 chapters. Then it will generate a conclusion. Okay, so it has started generating the content for the chapters. Okay, I'm pausing the video right now, and after the content is generated, I'll come back again. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated content for the entire 15 chapters. Now it is writing the conclusion. So our content will be ready. Yes, it's ready. You can see ebook content generated. Copy the content below. Okay, so next I'll show you how to format this quickly using Kindle Create software that is provided free by Amazon. So just copy this entire thing, and then we can go to Google Doc. You can use Notepad or even your Microsoft Word for this, but as Google Doc is free, I will show that one. So click here, start a new document, and then just paste the entire thing. Okay, so this is the entire content that was generated. Now what we'll do, select everything, format, and clear formatting. So after we have done this, okay, so come to this section and just delete everything above it. So this is the content of our entire book. As you can see, it is acknowledgement, then preface. Okay, so now our ebook is almost ready. Let's give a name, something like, for example, I'm giving the name just as sales demo. Now save this as Microsoft Word. Okay, so that is downloaded. Now we'll go to the Kindle Create software. This is available for both Mac and PC. I mean Mac and Windows. Okay, so click here, create new, and then choose the file which we downloaded just now. Sales demo, and you will see how quickly we will format this in the form of an ebook. It's importing your document. Okay, done. Next click continue and then get started. As you can see, it has recognized all your chapters, that is the 15 chapters. So click here, accept selected. Now a few things we need to do. Select the acknowledgement, go to formatting, make this about 22, and okay, this is the chapter title, and click formatting as 22, I mean font size. Okay, so done. This is done for acknowledgement. Now you can see acknowledgement is also added here in the tables, I mean the table of content. Now we'll do the same for this preface. Just select your title. So when you select this title, this will start from a new page and it will be added here in the table of contents. By default, it has recognized all the chapters, that is chapter 1, chapter 2. So no need to do anything for that. Just scroll to the end of the book. And we'll do the same for conclusion. Okay, here is conclusion. In this chapter title. Okay, done. So that's all formatting you need to do, and your ebook is ready. As you can see, let me show you acknowledgement, then preface, then chapter 1, then chapter 2. Now our next step will be, there will be export button, so click export, and you can see there are different formats. KPF is generally used, it is recommended for Kindle, that is for Amazon, and EPUB will be used where I will show you how to upload the content to a single website, and from there it will be distributed to 14 different other sites, that is online stores. So just select both of these and click export. Okay, so step 4 was to generate content for publishing the book to online platforms. So similarly, if you want to run this, then just click this play button and enter here just the title of the book, and then click enter, press enter, and you can see generating Amazon store content. Just wait for some time and it will be generated. Okay, so it's done. You can see your description, and also it will give you the keywords. While publishing the book in the Amazon store or in any other stores, we require the keywords along with the title and the description. So these are the keywords which we provide also. You can generate that also using this. Now let's go to the next step. Suppose you want to run a free ad or a paid ad, then just click here, and here you have to give the name of the book, and then your option whether you want to run it as free or paid. And if you are running it for paid, then if you want, you can give the amount also. Suppose $7, $9, $27 according to your price. So for this example, I am showing you just the free one. So click free, enter free, and then press enter. So it is generating ad script. Okay, so you can see this is beautifully, it is designed along with the call to actions and all the required elements, all the emojis. As you can see, this was for sales, so it has, the book topic was related to sales, so accordingly it has selected this first line, attention all sales enthusiasts. So as you can see, this is smart software and it generates the content according to the requirement. So now let's see the final step. If you want to generate post, so click here. Again, you have to give the name of the book and for which platform do you want to generate the post. Suppose you want to generate for FB, then press FB and click enter, and it will generate a post for FB. Similarly, you can do it for other platforms. Okay, so you can just use this to create a post in any of the platforms you like. Okay, so overall you have seen how easy it is to use the software and how powerful it is. By just entering the name of the book and the number of chapters you like, and then the entire book is created totally hands-free. So this feature is really unique and available only in this software right now. So just go ahead, use this software and let me know about the outcome.